Welcome back to the channel. We have this question wants us to find the coefficient of the third term in this binomial expansion. The binomial expansion of 2 raised to x plus 3 over y, 3y over 4, all now raised to the power of 3. Now, if I'm going to do this binomial expansion, I know that this is in the form of a plus b all raised to power n, where I can class my a now to be equals to 2x, my b to be the same thing as 3y over 4, and my n to be the same thing as 3. Now, if I'm expanding this, I'll expand with the formula that says n combination r now into a now raised to power n minus r into b raised to power r. Now, since I have to be careful here because it's told me that it's in descending powers of x, and it wants me to find just the third term, not the whole expression. So you don't need to waste your time. Now, since it's in descending power of x, I've put a to be 2x, which is correct because I'll go from n minus r downwards. Powers, I have n equals 3. The first term will go with c of 0. The second term will go with 3 combination 1. Then the third term will go with 3 combination 2. So I'm actually looking for the term that goes with 3 combination 2. So that I'll be saying that my n combination r into a raised to power n minus r into b raised to the power of r will be the same thing as 3 combination 2 into my a now is 2x raised to the power of n minus r. In this case, n is 3, that's 3 minus 2, and my b in this case is 3y all over 4 raised to the power of r again is 2. So that this is 3 combination 2, that's 3 factorial, that's 3 times 2 factorial over 3 minus 2 factorial, that's 1 factorial, which is 1, times another 2 factorial here again, that's my r. Now 2 here is 1, 2 here is 1. Then I have 2x times 2x times 3y raised to the power of 2. That's 9y squared over 4 raised to the power of 2. That's 16. 2 here is 1. 2 in 16 is 8. So that this is equals to 3 now times x times y times 9. 3 times 9, that's 27 y squared x over 8. The question was also find the coefficient of the third term in the binomial expansion in descending powers of x. So the coefficient in this case for x in this case is 27 y squared over 8. That's the coefficient of the third term. With this, I hope you understood how I went about picking 1, my third term, and 2, finding its coefficient. Thank you for staying with us, and see you in our next class.